Hey guys, it's not David. I'm actually David's intern, editor, I don't know. David's off somewhere being super cool this week and probably oiling his beard and drinking a craft brew. So he's not here this week. So here I am, looking at tools. So what do we got today? Today we're looking at the Leatherman Skeletool. There's about 400,000 videos on YouTube about this tool/knife, and I'm gonna bet 99% of them are better than this one, not gonna lie. So I'll try not to bore you, and we'll look at some everyday practical uses of this thing versus other tools that are around the house made for similar tasks. I'm gonna be showing you two colorways here. Why? Well, I'd like to tell you that I keep one in my desk and one in the garage, or maybe one in the kitchen and one in my super cool Vertex EDC Transit Sling 2.0 bag. But really, I ordered the black and silver one directly from Leatherman. I thought I was like doing my part, you know, maybe letting them get a little extra bread and not having Amazon take it. Well, it never arrived. Something about Leatherman using UPS and USPS to get this tiny little box from Portland, Oregon to my house in Georgia. Apparently it was so complicated it took months, literally 3 months. After a couple weeks, I got tired of waiting on it and ordered another one on Amazon. It arrived in 2 days. So I'll briefly go over the features, but you probably know them already. Why are you even watching this? Is the Skeletool a jack of all trades and master of none? Or is it just kind of the best thing out? I'm thinking the latter, but we'll see. So for this particular video, I figured I'd put the Skeletool up against other tools around the house, as I mentioned. Trying to see if this is the tool you can always have in your pocket and never really need anything else. Before you say it, yeah, the Wave, it's great. Does a million things, but it weighs more. What exactly do you get? Do you want all that in your pocket? Back when you had the Swiss Army knife that your grandpa got you as a kid, did you ever really use those tiny spring-loaded scissors? And do you need 10 different blades to open up Amazon boxes? And how about that nail file? Everybody is really sensitive about clips in pockets. Well, I can tell you that this clip is just fine. Here I am modeling in some regular everyday type pants. Yeah, they're Lululemon, but they're still like an everyday wear type of pant. They're olive green, so that's got to count for something. As you can see, it fits in both pockets pretty easily and lightweight. Here's another pair of very lightweight shorts that I wear probably 4 times a week. Leatherman also fits pretty well in there as well. I should say the Skeletool. The Skeletool fits well. And as you can see, moving around, it's not that big of a deal. It's nice. A little shake, yeah, we're good. So let's briefly go over the features. It weighs 5 ounces. It's got a stainless steel combo blade, pliers, bit driver, removable pocket clip, and carabiner and bottle opener. That combo knife is a 420 HC, straight and serrated blade. It also locks. Here's a closer look at the topographical Leatherman Skeletool that I purchased on Amazon. Pretty sweet, actually. It's probably limited edition too. It's all blacked out. It's pretty cool. Let's talk pliers. The Leatherman Skeletool features needle nose pliers and regular pliers, all in one. They're pretty sweet. I figured I'd take all the pliers around the house and put them to the same test. No, this isn't like a real deal test where I'm putting it through its paces. I'm literally just seeing if it'll pull something out of wood. I think I'll go find some nails and a hammer. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Gonna go ahead and throw some nails into this wood. I'll do it about halfway down. No big deal. I'll put 6 in there. Just completely ruin this piece of wood that I really like. Now let's take the first one. These are the real deal. You can lock these bad boys. Can we pull it up? Yeah, no problem. Got it. Easy. Let's take these little pieces of crap. I think I got these at Walmart. Done. Not a problem. How about this little guy? Yep. Oh, what? Having a little trouble there. No problem. Oh, not skilled enough to open it with one hand. It's okay. Get the thing out of the way. Thanks. Yeah, okay. Oh, tried it with like the medium plier. Now let's go needle. No problem. Are we going big? No, going needle again. Easy money. Okay, passed the test. Skeletool also has cutters, wire cutters. So what did I do? I went around the house, found some wire cutters. I mean, these things are made to cut wires, so it should be a pretty good test. Oh, and this little guy, it's got a wire cutter, and this guy, wire cutter. That should be a multi-tool. Anyway, found some, what I think is 10 or 12 gauge wire. It's pretty thick. Let's just go 12. I think it's 12 gauge wire. It's probably not 10, but it was pretty thick. So let's give the first wire cutter crimpers a shot. These are old and rusty, but that's no problem. That's what this thing's made for. How about this piece of crap? Can we cut it? Yeah, probably. Yep, that's pretty easy too. Let's grab the little guys. See if those huskies are really about that life. Little bit of struggle there, just a little bit. How about these pieces of crap? You ever try to strip a wire with those? You're gonna ruin it, guaranteed. But cutting, not a problem. Now for these guys, the Leatherman Skeletool. As you notice, it barely fit in there. Had a little, I was a little worried, but clipped it off, no problem. So it passed the test too. Oh yeah, here's another test. Mike from Last Line of Defense said you could use the end of this thing as a flathead screwdriver. Yeah, it kind of works, but not really. Mind you, I was trying to hold a camera in one hand and do some twisting motion in the other hand. It didn't really work. Stop laughing at me. I might as well use the bit driver. I'm sure if I polled 1 million Leatherman Skeletool owners, they'd say that they use the knife more than anything. So let's test the knife out against some other knives that have been around the house. What do we got here? Well, we got the other Skeletool. Topographical. Nice. Ooh, we got a Benchmade bug out. Let's see if I can flick it open. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Probably an 8 out of 10. It's a good knife. Oh man, this piece of crap. I don't even want to talk about it. I mean, it does the job, but it's like a Kershaw something rather. Comment below if you love this thing and you hate me. And a box cutter. I use box cutters all the time on Amazon boxes. That works. So what better test than to cut some cardboard? I promised myself that I'm gonna take every single knife and I'm gonna apply the same exact pressure in a straight line and just see how it cuts. So let's start off with the Kershaw. Straight down. Let's see. Just throw it in the trash. I don't even know how to close it. Not bad, not great, but not bad. It kind of did the job, which is why it was $20. Ah, speaking of under $20, rip. How'd we do? Still didn't get it all the way through. A couple places, but it's cheap. I've been using it a lot. Could probably break it off and start a new edge. It's whatever. Ooh, bug out. This is the thing that the YouTubers say to you, oh, look at that, missed it. Oh, let's try it again. Let's see if we can flick it out. Oh, that's better, that's better. All the YouTubers say that this is the knife to have. This is the best knife. Can I get it to, no, that's okay. Ooh, that's the cleanest cut yet. Probably could have applied more force, but I was trying to be fair. Ah, the limited edition Skeletool. Let's let her rip, Chip. Let her rip, tater chip. Okay. Gonna give her a real try here. Gotta be fair. Straight down. I gotta admit, when I did that, I was pretty surprised and impressed. Not 100% sure if I pushed harder, but it cut like, well, a knife. Through butter. And we'll try the topographical one, just so we can double check. Yep, yeah, straight through. So, did we just break the internet? Are these things better knives than a Benchmade bug out? Ooh, yeah, maybe we should make that the title. Talk about some clickbait. Yeah, let's do that. Who doesn't like some more pocket shots? So 95% of the day I'm wearing sweatpants shorts or some type of athletic shorts, especially in the pandemic. I just don't put regular people clothes on anymore. I bet you don't either. So when I'm walking around, my knife has to fit in my sweatpants pockets. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Benchmade bug out, no problem. That was easy. It's lightweight. I forget it's in there. This little Kershaw shuffle deal. It's actually kind of heavy for what it is. It fits in there just fine. You forget about it, but it's heavy enough where you remember it. I don't know, whatever. Did a little shimmy there. Whatever, throw it away. Okay, we got a Skeletool. Let's see how that fits. It fits in the hand great, by the way. Do you notice that? It just always seems like it's in the right position, which is great. It's just perfect. How about the pocket? Does it fit in sweatpants pockets easily? Okay, yeah, I mean, you know it's there. You definitely know it's there. But if I'm walking around the house all day, I think I'm good. Yeah, I mean, it's a good dance move. Anybody notice the G-Shock? Love this watch. Yep, we're just gonna look at some more Skeletools. Yeah, just make sure both of them fit just perfectly. Yep. Yep, that works. That works. Shimmies and everything. Yep, dance moves. Yeah, okay. That works. Let's try the box cutter. Would you walk around with that ever? No. It's gonna fall out. Yeah, forget that thing. No more Amazon boxes for you. Yeah, so if you're really bored, I sped this part up to 800%, but it's still really long. Let's see, it's about 2.5 minutes long at 800%. I recently bought a new Dell Ultra Wide monitor, and man, they really pack those things good. So I figured whichever knife won this competition, I would just tear that box up. It's been sitting in my garage forever. So I spent a few minutes really getting into this thing. Man, again, they do a great job of packing. Shout out to Dell or Amazon or both. It took me a while to get through this. I mean, who knew that they multi-layer cardboard things like this? I mean, it's pretty impressive. I don't know if you guys are bored yet, but it is kind of interesting. If I had to do it again, my technique would be way different. But still, I mean, look at those layers. The fact that it's cutting through 5 and 6 layers of cardboard like it's no problem, it's pretty impressive, if I had to be honest. Well, that's about all I got, guys. Oh wait, there actually is one more thing I need to do. Be right back. And for the final test. Oh yeah. Okay. Maybe it's because I was looking through the monitor at the same time and wrapping around my arms around the camera. That wasn't that solid, but I'm still gonna go enjoy this beer. So if you hate this video, make sure to let us know in the comment section so I never have to do this again. And David will be back next week. In the meantime, you can watch me cut up some cardboard.